Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a quick transformation. I bought this candle holder at Ross for very cheap. However, even though the color is beautiful, it doesn't match my decor. So I wanted to change the color. I went ahead and used some painter's tape and, just covered the parts that I don't want any paint on. This is what we have so far. And even though I did cover it, some of the paint still got on this glass part, but that's not a problem. I will be removing it with some pure acetone. I was a little worried with the actual spray paint, but it turned out okay. I mean, I cannot complain. And here I'm just removing that paint that got on the actual glass. Now I will be using some of these teardrops that I had used them before for other projects, and they look very beautiful. I started by adding some of this wiring. That's all I had on hand, so I will be using that. I do know that there are other thinner wires that you can use, but for me that worked. And then I decided to add some rhinestones, and for that I'm just using some hot glue. And yeah, I just wanted once again to transform this chandelier so it fits my decor. To add more glam to the piece, I will be also adding some of these ribbon that I had left over from another project. And I'm gonna go ahead and just glue it in with some hot glue. And this is the final result. Again, it was beautiful as it was before, but I needed it to fit my decor. So I will be placing this piece in my bathroom, and this is how it looks like. Well, my friends, I hope that you got inspired, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.